am Raj Rai. So today topic is about the AWS cloud computing types and their services and a comparison of each types. There are three types. One is IaaS and PaaS and SaaS. We'll go and see about this in the next topic. Next slide. In AWS cloud computing types, there are three types. I already explained. One is IaaS, another one is PaaS, and another one is SaaS. It's nothing but infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. For IaaS, IaaS is nothing but AWS provide basic cloud infrastructure like virtual server, storage, and network. We manage the OS application and runtime ourselves. PaaS means AWS provides a platform to develop, run, and manage the applications without managing the infrastructure. We just focus on writing and deploying our application code. The third type is a SaaS. SaaS is in AWS deliver full function software application over the internet. We simply use the service. Just no need to installation or maintenance required. So this slide is about the AWS types, comparisons based on the features. The first feature we are going to see about control. So how the SaaS get controlled? The SaaS get controlled. There is no control for SaaS. Provider manage everything behind the scene. For PaaS, the control over applications and data, not the infrastructure. But for IaaS, the full control over OS, storage, and runtime environment. The next feature is about user responsibility. For SaaS, just log in and use the software. No setups are needed. For a platform, PaaS, focus only on coding and managing application data. For infrastructure, IaaS, manage OS, middleware, runtime, and application manually. So the next feature is about scalability. In SaaS, fully managed and auto-scaled by the provider. PaaS, scalable automatically with managed resources. For IaaS, it's highly scalable but requires manual or semi-auto configurations. Next feature is cost. For SaaS, usually billed via subscriptions or per user. For the platform as service, PaaS, pay for the platform and service used in application lifecycle. For IaaS, pay per use of compute, storage, and network resources. Next feature is setup and complexity. Minimal setup for IaaS SAS, minimal setup, just access the application. For the PAS, it easily to deploy application with fewer infrastructure concern. For IAS, it complex internal setup and configuration effort needed. Next feature is the best use cases. For SAS, business applications like email, CRM, collaboration tools. For PAS, the web application development, APIs, serverless applications are needed. For IAS, it contains custom IT setup, legacy systems, and enterprise workload. So the next feature is AWS services. AWS services for the software as service, there are many services are there. I will tell about some services like Workmail, and then QuickSight, etc. These are all the ready-made services. For the platform as service, the major services are Elastic, Beanstalk, Lambda, RDS. So these are all manage the application platform. For IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, they used EC2, S3, EBS, VBC, which is a full infrastructure stack. The last feature is the user feature. User feature for the SaaS, that is software as a service, they use end user and the business accessing cloud software are the users for SaaS. For the platform as a service, developers and tech teams are focusing on application logics. For the infrastructure as a service, system admin and DevOps manage full stack. So these are the users used in infrastructure as a service. I hope this gives you all a clear understanding of AWS types and its features. Thank you.